everyone, welcome to Company360.in. Today, we will understand about provisional patent application. Everyone knows what exactly patent application means. It means a document containing details about your invention. It, it contains all the details about your invention, be it the background, be it the detailed descriptions, that means how it works, what are its components, how they are engaged with each other, and everything. So, when you file for a patent in India, mostly it is filed through ordinary patent application. Now, this ordinary patent application is divided into two more type of patent application. One is provisional patent application, another is complete application. Now, what exactly this provisional patent application is? When we talk about provisional patent application, it is a patent application where the inventor has an invention in mind or invention in process, but the invention is not yet complete. Or there might be a chance that he wants to try for its invention before filing for the complete application. So provisional patent application is basically a patent application that just give you a brief overview about the invention. So basically, a provisional patent application just contains a brief overview about the invention without having contained all the necessary and detailed description and details of the invention. Likewise, the functioning, the each and every component, etc. So why at all we need provisional patent application? Provisional patent application helps when the inventor wants to secure the priority right over the patent and simultaneously gets the time to develop the invention. Basically, a provisional patent application has a 12-month time period from the date of filing, after which inventor needs to file for complete specification. In case the inventor do not file the complete specification, the provisional patent application will be considered abandoned. What provisional patent application must have? A provisional patent application must have a fair idea about the invention. It can loosely describe or broadly describe your invention. Not each and every component or not each and every working information or every diagram. You may just file and secure your priority right by filing a broad overview about your invention in a provisional application. The drafting of provisional application is easy, but at the same time it involves a very clever effort so that you can cover the maximum possibilities that you might develop around your invention in the time period of 12 months. To know more about patents, drop a request at company360.in or write a mail to us at info@company360.in. In our coming slides, we will tell you about the benefits of provisional patent specifications or provisional patent application.